It is March 1st of 2020 and I just spent 8 great days in Singapore. This day I went back to Munich with Turkish Airlines, but first let me show you the city of Singapore. Singapore was so exciting, but my time here ended and now let's take the train to the airport. The highlight of Singapore Changi Airport is definitely the Javel. It's like an inside waterfall, so please enjoy. I didn't have any words for that. This airport looks impressive. I think it even looks like a shopping center, not really like an airport. Well, we've spent enough time here and now let's go to the check-in counter. Thanks to my Turkish Airlines Elite status, I can use the business class check-in. If you have a bit cash left, you can also upgrade your flight to business class. That's a bit too expensive for me, I'll stay in economy. In Singapore, security checks are at the gates, so let's go straight to the dnata lounge. So here we are in the dnata lounge. It was a bit crowded, so I couldn't film too much. Between the seats there were wireless chargers for your phone, or below the seats there were universal power outlets. Let's see what food they are offering in the lounge. They had different options also for vegetarians. This totally met my expectations and I had a little snack before proceeding to the gate. After the security check, I asked the gate agents if there are seats with more legroom available. He said yes, and my new seat is 40C, which is an exit row seat. So let's just wait here before the actual boarding starts. If you brought an empty bottle, you can have free drinking water here. The aircraft for this flight is this 9-year-old Boeing 777-300. Here we are in Turkish Airlines business class. With the 2x3x2 configuration, it's a bit outdated. The economy class is in a 3x3x3 configuration. So here we are at my seat for the flight 40C. The legroom here is fantastic. However, the row 40 has a missing window. On your seat there's already a pair of headphones, a soft pillow and a blanket. There's also a remote control for the in-flight entertainment. And the tray table is located in the armrest. Between the seats there are universal power outlets and more. So we are ready for takeoff. Our estimated flight time is about 12 hours. Turkish Airlines handed out amenity kits on this flight. They came with eye shades, slippers, socks, earplugs and lip balm. I was really impressed by the service on this flight. Turkish Airlines also hands out menu cards. And here's my dinner for tonight's flight. Shepherd's salad with baby corn, grilled chicken breast with vegetables, a warm bun and a chocolate cake as a dessert. After this great dinner, I checked out the Wi-Fi. Flying in economy, you get 50 megabytes for free. Now before going to sleep, let's check out the in-flight entertainment. The movie selection was really good. They had many blockbusters available. After watching a movie, I fell asleep and I woke up 6 hours later. So let's have a look at the lavatories here. Whenever you use a lavatory in an aircraft, you shouldn't go there barefoot. Most of the time the liquid on the floor is not water. I didn't feel really hungry, so I skipped the breakfast. Turkish Airlines served an omelette with fruits. Turkish Airlines did a really good job on this flight. There are many competitors on routes between Asia and Europe, so airlines have to offer an excellent service on their flights. Turkish Airlines did so, and I hope I can fly them again soon. So thank you for joining me on this flight and for watching the video until the end. Have a wonderful week and see you in 2 weeks for the next video.